This new Sony hand grip is STC and Mafio Airsoft, two companies co-work together to make this very good hand grip. STC, as you know, is is an optical company. But how about Mafio? Mafio, this company is a very cool company. They are making this. They are the in Asia. They are very famous toy gun maker. You can see their gun is doing very beautiful. Their CNC, all the artwork is doing very good. And their toy gun is still very expensive. One handgun they sell around 2,000 US dollars. So you see all of the very small detail here is very detailed for the CNC. This one is no color, so you can see the original. The CNC work is very good. Hope you like it.